Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. It's time for another reveal video, and today I'll be showcasing the new best friend word die. Technically, it is a 5-piece die set because the letter B can be cut apart from the word best. The letter F can stand on its own, and the letter S is not attached. The word best measures 1 3/4 inches by 1.5 inches. The letter F measures about 1 7/8 inches tall by 3/4 of an inch wide at the widest part. And the rest of the word friends measures 2.5 by 1. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. For my first sample, I used the new Slimline Dog Bone die and decided to make a shaped card. The stamps that I'm using are digital images, but they are available in cling-mounted stamps as well. And for this sample, I used the die Best Friend as a whole. For my second card, I used the new Dainty Daisies background and decided to make a Mother's Day card, and I used just the word best. For the word mom, I used the bold ABCs alphabet die set. For my third sample, I wanted to share how you could just use the word friend. So again, I used the Dainty Daisies background stamp and then used the simple sentiments stamp set with the coordinating dies to finish off the sentiment. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.